So after so much of confusion, whether the exam is gonna get delayed, not delayed, whether the exam is gonna get postponed, AIPGD 2024 is finally over. And I can well imagine the level of anxiety, pressure and tension you all must have been in the past couple of months. So first of all, congratulations for completing your AIPGD 2024 exam. It is a no small feat to prepare for such a competitive exam. And now you all must be feeling a mix of relief, anxiety and uncertainty as to what comes next. Don't worry, I am here to guide you through this post-exam phase. So watch until the end of the video, because in this video I am going to tell you few very important things that you must do until your result is out and the counseling begins. And we are starting right now. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Taha Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share with you clinic and exam related productivity tips and strategies. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. Let's start with what you should do immediately after the exam. And the first point is relax and unwind. See, you all have been preparing very hard for this exam for the past couple of months, if not entire year. So relax, give yourself a break, take few days and relax, spend time with your families and friends, because once the result is out, the counseling begins. And if you are able to crack this exam, then you may get admitted into a college which is away from your hometown. So you may have to leave your hometown, you may have to leave your family, you may have to leave your friends. So spend quality time with your friends and families, or engage in any hobbies that you have always wanted to do but you weren't able because of this preparation for this exam, or just get some good sleep for a few days. These things are very important for your mental health, because during this preparation phase your mental health gets affected a lot, and along with mental health your physical health also gets affected. So also try to improve, also try to work on your physical fitness. Point number 2 is reflect on the exam. Now after having this short break, reflect on the exam. What went well, what didn't, because these reflections can help you for your future exams and interviews. But remember, don't dwell too much on it. What's done is done. Whatever you could have done have already been done. Point number 3 is check your answer key. Now once the official answer key is out, compare it with your answers to get an estimate of your score, to get an estimate of your rank, to get an estimate of your performance, because this can help you gauge your chances of getting into your desired college and your desired subject. After checking your answer key, you may fall in one of these 3 categories. Category 1, those students whose exam went very well, whose score is very high, very good score, and is almost sure that they will get a seat in some college. Category 2, those students whose exam went not so well, not so bad, whose score is also not very high, not very low. And these category of students are in a lot of confusion. They don't know whether they will get a seat in some college or they won't get a seat in some college. Lastly, third category, students whose exam did not go well at all, whose score is very low, not at all a good score, and they know that they will not get a college, at least in some government college they are not going to get any seat. Now after you have decided a category for yourself, let's talk about planning your next step, because this step is crucial because it determines your future course of action. First of all, let me talk about the category 1 and the category 2 kind of students. Okay. First thing that you need to do is research colleges and subjects. Based on your estimated score, start searching for colleges and subjects you are interested in. Take help from your teachers, take help from your friends, take help from your families, from your colleagues. Most importantly, try to find out some students of that college that you are interested in, that you want to join. Try to find out some PGTs of that college. Try to find out how the faculties are in that college. Try to find out how OPDs are in those colleges, because in your MD you see is mostly practical rather than theoretical. So mostly you will be attending OPDs. You want to attend more and more patients. So find out how many patients visit those colleges. For this, take help from anyone and everyone you possibly can. Look at the previous year's cutoff mark for that college. What was the score of the last student that got admitted in that college last year? Or what was the score of the student who got admitted in your desired subject in that college? So try to find out all of these things, because once the result is out, the counseling will start. And then the admission process will start, and all these things will happen so fast that you won't have time to properly do research about the college and the subject. And if you have any confusion as to whether you should prioritize college over subject or subject over college, I have already talked in one of my previous videos. I'll put the link of the video in the description as to which is the best subject to do MD in homeopathy. Next point is prepare for the counseling. Now you see, counseling process can be daunting, but preparation is the key. Last year, what happened, one of the students, she had filled OBC as her category in the while filling the application form. So when the cancellation process was about to begin, she did not have this document. And she was very worried how to get it done and what needs to be done, how can it be changed. So keep all your documents ready, your category certificate, your mark sheets, everything. Read all the documents that are required to be produced for verifications. Keep an eye on the official AIPGT sites for any notifications, for any updates regarding counseling, regarding seat allocations, regarding admissions. You can also join groups on Telegrams and on WhatsApp where there are fellow AIPGT aspirants so that you stay informed. And now few things about this category 3 students who are sure that you are not going to get any seat this year. You need to explore additional options. Whether you should prepare again for this exam next year, whether you should start your clinic, whether you should prepare for some government exam, whether you should join as a teaching faculty in some college. So basically, you need to have a very nice idea about the career options after BHMS. What are, along with the PG, what are the alternate career options that you can avail? And I have already made few videos on these topics, career options after BHMS. So I'll put the link of those videos in the description. Check those videos out after you have done watching this video. Basically, you can have 100 of career options after BHMS, but few 5 to 6 career options that I think that you should at least keep in mind or be aware of it, I have shared in the video. Lastly, no matter in which category you fall, you should work towards your personal development, like learning a new skill or traveling, because traveling may give a different perspective to your life. And the third point is start earning. Learn a new skill like video editing, and all these creators are ever growing every day. And most of these creators, if not all, they require someone to edit their videos. So even if you just have basic knowledge of video editing, apply some text, do some transitions, you will be able to edit some decent videos and earn something from that. Or during this preparation, if you have acquired so much knowledge that you think that you can help juniors, start teaching. So these are the few areas of personal development that I want you to focus. So to sum it up, the period after AIPGT 2024 is a time for reflection, preparation and growth. Take this opportunity to relax, plan your next steps, explore alternatives and work on your personal development. Remember, this is just one step in your journey and many exciting opportunities lie ahead. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel for more such content. And if you have any questions or topics that you want me to cover, leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.